One of the things that keep a business showing up very well on the internet is having a very strong online presence. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I always create strong online presence for businesses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adelik. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I used to create strong online presence for businesses, such as their Google Business Profile, social media profile, and also some that need website. Note that you don't need a website to start your business. In as if you have Google Business Profile, is okay. Google Business Profile alone is enough to start your business. I'm going to be using my local SEO agency as a case study. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a very strong Google Business Profile that will rank to the first page within 90 days. That is my goal. The goal is to make sure that the profile rank to Google first page in the next 90 days. So without wasting much time, let me teach you how to do this. There are two things involved here. The first thing is, number one, listing your Google Business Profile on a brand new Google account, and also listing it in an account that have Google Business Profile already. You are going to see two different things. So in this video, I'm going to show you and explain everything in details so that you understand the difference between the two. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So I'm going to start with the new way. So the new way is, you are going to go to your browser. You can do the same thing on your phone as well. Go to your browser or Google Chrome and type my business. So see it here. You see my business, my builder. So just click on my business. When you click on my business, it's going to show you this interface whereby you see about Google Business Profile. It's a free tool that allow you to manage your business online. Your Google Business Profile is just like your online shop that is active to 24/7. Google Business Profile is very important to a point whereby you may be sleeping and you get calls. Someone can call you. I saw your number on Google. I saw this on Google. I want to do this with you. That is the importance of Google Business Profile. So once you are here, just scroll down, see here the type Google Business Profile, get listed on Google. So here, if you don't have a profile yet, this is what you are going to see. This is what you are going to see. And if you have if you already have a profile, you are going to understand that. So I'm going to also show you that one as well. So let me go to my other Gmail. So I'm going to show you the two side by side so that you will see the difference. So let me go to my other Gmail account. So I'm going to type my business here as well, the same thing. Then come here. I'm going to see the different thing here. I have multiple accounts on this Google account. So you are going to see what I'm saying here. You see this is because I have profiles, I have accounts here. That's why you are seeing this under the Google Business Profile get listed link. So if you come here, you are going to see that there's nothing under here. Do you see the difference? This is because this account doesn't have any Google Business Profile at all. You are going to do two different things. Doesn't have any Google profile at all. So if you even search this on your phone, the same thing you are going to see here is what you are going to see on your phone. So it's the same. Nothing changes. Nothing changes. So it's still the same thing. If you want to quickly access this thing faster, maybe you don't want to, you don't know, maybe you forget how to type my business. You can come here. You see this box, this dotted box. Let's say click on it. You are going to see Google Apps here. So from here, you are going to select. So you are going to come down here. You are going to check for Google Profile, Google Business Profile. So look at it. So I think why we don't have it here is because you have not listed any business on Google yet. So I think that's why we don't have it here. So now let's check the other profile. So now if I click on this now, you are going to definitely see Google Business Profile on it. So now you see it here, Google Business Profile. This is because we already have Google Business Profiles listed on this Gmail Google account. So no difference. So if you want to add a profile differently, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to use one to list the business, but I want to show you two different interviews you are going to see. So now let's say you are on the new account that you want to list your Google Business Profile on. You are going to click on Google Business Profile get listed. This link, click on it. It's going to take you to where we are going to log in or sign up or start managing your Google Business Profile. So you see how it is here. It says Google Business Profile, related service, restaurants. So if you have the time, you can go through it, see everything, read everything through. You see how everything is. You can go through it and see the line. This is where every information about Google Business Profile. Do you see? So now, so let me show you something here. You see here, it said claim. Claim means that if you already have, maybe you have a business that you've been doing for a while and you don't know if you have Google Business Profile. You have to first of all type down your business name on Google. But I wish I'm going to show you how to do it. You have first of all type your business. So if you see a business with that same name, you're just going to claim it. Now, then after claiming it, you personalize it. Claiming also means that create a profile or manage an existing profile on search and map. So after you've create the profile, you are going to personalize, add your hour, photo, and other details and get discovered by customer. So once you do this, you're going to get discovered. But a lot of people always, mistaking make some mistake even here, so they also make mistake from the first step. But I'm not going to explain everything in detail. So the last one is, which is number 3, is share up is manage, response to review, connect with customer. But at least this one is secondary. But you see these two, this is the first two that is very very important. You need to do this first. After you have done that, then here now comes in, maybe you are managing, because managing means that you have to be active. Your Google Business Profile is like social media account. It's like your Facebook, your Instagram, your X, your LinkedIn. It must be active. If it's not active, it will be the ranking gradually. It will be going down gradually. Going down gradually, because when you make a post or you post a picture, you're telling Google that Google are going that, oh, I'm active. I can work with customer. I'm active to get customer. I'm active to deliver. So that's what we're trying to tell the algorithm, Google algorithm. So without wasting much time, what you're going to do here is just click on start now. So after you click on start now, it will take you to where you are going to list your business. So now here, two things is involved. Just you can list your business here, whereby you list your business, put the business name. If there's a business that has already been listed for you, you are going to see it here. So I already have the name I want to use for my business. So note, let me show you something before we even start listing the business out. So you need, what are the things you need to list your business on Google is business name, primary category, your business primary category, secondary category. This should come maybe after you have been verified. Now, business description, services you offer, photo, logo, this kind of thing. But the most important thing is your business name, business category, in fact even business phone number. So let me even list it out so that you can get the whole details. So let me list everything out. So details needed to list a business on Google. These are the most important ones. So number 1, so let me reduce this one. So number 1, so let me reduce this to number 1, business name. Number 2, so let me, I'm coming, okay, sorry. So number 1 is business name. So let me just go ahead and, so number 1, business business name, business address. Note, this business address, this is for businesses that have physical location. Don't make any mistake here. If you don't have physical location, maybe you are a plumber, you are an electrician, you don't have physical location, maybe you work from, you only go to your customer's house, you are into house cleaning services, you are into um house painting, that you always go to where customers are, you go to customer's office, you don't need address. But if you have where customers can come to you, where customer can come and do the booking in your shop, in your office, you can put it. But as a service-based business, it's not really that compulsory. So number 3, business category. Number 4, description. Number 5, business logo. Number 6, working hour. Working hours. Then services. So you see these are the major important thing. In fact, from one to 4 are the 1 to 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4 and 6. Let me even remove this logo first, because let me put it based on how important they are. So 1, 4 and 1, like from 1 to 5, they're the most important, because you need to put your working hour. They're the most important. This, so let me now put logo, images slash video. So these are the most important thing: business name, business address, business category, description, working hour. Now, maybe after you have been verified, you can add your services, your logo, your videos, all those details later. But you see, this no, these 4 are very, very important. No, I missed one. Excuse me, I missed one. Yes, business. I missed one. Business category. So I missed one, which is business active phone number. Business active phone number. You must have a phone that they can send SMS into it. You must have a phone that when customer call you, you are going to pick. Don't add the phone that is not active. Always active phone. In fact, yesterday I had to go and get a small phone, a small Nokia phone, so that I can put my main business line into it, because I want to make sure that whenever customer call me, I am able to pick. So if you know you don't have active phone, you can always change your phone number. You can add it. Maybe I know some of us have our WhatsApp line as our main business line, but that line is not active on WhatsApp. On call, you cannot call, you cannot receive SMS. So you can use that as your WhatsApp number. Then make sure you add an active, because majority of what happen on Google Business Profile is that businesses will call. So when I search for a business now, the first thing I want to check is their call button. So let me look for, let me say plumber plumber near me. So now let me check for plumber near me. You are going to see options to call. See their phone number here. So you're going to see options to call. So if I open this one now, what I'm going to see is to call. I'm not going to see their WhatsApp line immediately, but see option to call here. I can click on it and to call. That's why you need to have an active phone number. You need active phone number. You see that WhatsApp is not showing here. WhatsApp only show on phone. WhatsApp is not showing here. So it's that if I even click on it from here now, it's going to ask like I want to call. Do you see? Open pick an app, open pick an app, so that you can be able to make call. It's for call specific. So make sure that you have active phone number. You can buy a new phone number if that's possible, or you can go and make sure that the number you are using, maybe to go and find a phone and put in it. So now you see, we need number 1 to 6, which is the most important thing we need here to make sure that our business is listed on Google. So now, without wasting our time, also let me take you to where we are going to put the business name. So here now I'm going to put the business name. So Adelumo. So now you see that as I'm typing, it's giving me businesses that are related to that name, Adelumo. Now, if hasn't been my business is Adelumo Commuter Training Center, once I click on it, I'll be able to claim the business. But it's not. So I'm going to local SEO agency. So now, do you see? This is also local SEO agency. You see now, in fact, this shows that I don't have the name on. Nobody has registered this name before. So once I click on this now, everything has been set. So I'm just click on continue. But if I click on continue, let me go and show you something on what's it called, the old account. You know, I told you that there's old and new. So this is the new way of the new Gmail account. This is what you are going to be seeing. But if I'm using old Gmail account, there's option under here that tell me to choose category, which I'm going to show you now. So now, so this is here. We are here now. If you want to add a new profile here, you see, I'm going to add it. Why I'm showing this thing side by side is that if I said I should explain the first one and also go and explain the second one, you may mix it up. But I'm explaining it side by side so that you'll be able to see the difference. As if it is possible for me to, let me even see if I can. Okay. So let me, okay. So now, let me put them side by side so that you can be able to see. So this is the, so I know why I'm doing this so that you can be able to see that, oh, this is how this thing works. So let me shift this one here a little bit. So now here we are. So you see that this is the new Gmail account. This is the old Gmail account that has um profiles on it. So if I click on view all profiles now, it's going to take me to a pop-up will come up whereby I will see all the accounts that I have on my profile. So this same thing happen on, what's it called, on your phone. You see the same thing. You don't need to panic. Now there are two ways to add your business profile from here. You can click on add location, whereby it's going to take you to where you'll be able to add your location immediately. But here now, I don't want to do that. You can also come down here and click on view multiple. Let me shift this one up a little. So now you can click on manage multiple locations and you can also add it from here. You see, you can add a location from here. Also click on multiple location. You see, multiple location. Now, why I'm showing you this is that you may open your browser and be thinking that, oh, and maybe feel confused that, oh, why this like this. So don't confuse yourself. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to I don't want to do it from here, but it's still the same thing if I click on add location. But I want to show you an interface that comprises of all the accounts you are managing. So if I click on manage multiple account now, it's going to take me to where I'm going to see all the Google Business Profile I'm managing. This is just like your yeah, see it here, Google Business Profile Manager dashboard. Do you see? So it comprises of all the accounts you are managing from A to Z. So as you can see, all the accounts you are managing, every account you are managing. So on this profile now, I have 18 accounts. Do you see? 10 of 18. So if I click on next now, it's going to show me the remaining accounts. So I have up to, in fact, I don't even know the number of Google Business Profile I have on my what's it called? On all my accounts. So let's say you are in on your dashboard. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click on this add business. Click on it. Now you see that you have option to add a single business and to import a business. So importing a business means that I don't normally use this because most of the businesses I listed are single businesses. So maybe if you want to list multiple businesses, then you have to, I think you put them on Google Sheet or on Excel sheet and then import it as CSV. So once you import it, Google is going to automatically create profile for them, but you have to verify as well. So now I'm going to click on add single profile. So click on add single profile. So you are going to see the difference. Now I was telling you earlier that see it here, it says start building your business profile. See the header here and see the header here. See that they are different things. Get your business discovered on Google search map and more. This is because this is a new Google profile, a new Google profile, new Gmail. But this is an old Gmail that already have profile on it. I told you earlier that this one doesn't have any another option underneath, but this one have option underneath for you to choose business that for you to choose another, what's it called? For you to choose your category. So I'm going to put the name as well. So let me just copy it from here and paste. So now you see that the business is not has not been listed. So I'm going to click on this one as well. Then from here now, I'm going to select a category. So I can select a category from here. So the category is internet internet service provider. So now why I choose internet service provider for this is because most of the services I'm providing is on the internet. So if I show you here now, you see that it's internet service provider that is selected. So where is it? So come in, let me show you. See it there. Okay, it's even internet marketing services. So now let me go and change it. So one of the reasons why it's very very good to make sure that you have written all your this thing. Now you see that me, I've already written my this thing out. I've used ChatGPT because I teach ChatGPT everything. I'm doing everything. So that already help me to write everything out. So I'm just going to go and change it back. So now here, come here and change it. Internet marketing services. Now this one comprises of maybe social media management, local SEO, everything entails. So now I'm going to you are going to click next here. But before I select next, let me come here and click on continue because this is the account I want to use for this profile. So click on continue. Now I was now here, that was the reason why I said let me put the two side by side. Here now it says choose choose your business type. If I click on next here now, you're going to see a different thing that is different from this one. There are two different things here now. So there are two different things right here. So if I click on next here now, it's going to show me, ask me question directly. Now you see that it said, do you want to add location customer can visit like a shop or office? Now here it means that this location will show up on Google and Google Map and search when customers are looking for your services. Now here I don't have a physical location for the agency yet, so I'm working from home, I'm doing it from home. So I am going to make sure that the the business is going to be service based. I'm going to choose no. I'm going to choose no here. But right here now, it's asking me that you see that there are two different things, and when you see it as you don't be like, what is this? So now I'm going to choose service based. Maybe your business make visit to customers. I'm going to choose service based, and also I'm going to choose online retail, like customer can purchase products through your website. So do you see those two different things? Here now, maybe if you own Shopify store, you are into e-commerce, you can choose this one as well. Now local store means that you have physical location where people can, you can choose two here. In fact, you can even choose the three. You can choose the three, but here now, I'm only going to choose services because customers don't come to me, and sometimes I don't go to customer, we chat online. So now that's why I want to put online, because online retail means that customer buy from my online and I deliver to them. So it doesn't have to maybe be also maybe I'm selling any physical item, but customer book me online, we do all our transaction online, we do our meeting online, do everything online. So you see the same thing, and also it's also service based. That's why I'm trying to show you this so that you understand that yes, this is what this thing is. Now here now, you see that it's only asking us that do you want to add a location customer can visit like a shop or office. This is if you have a location customer can visit, but if you don't, choose no. So if I click on next now, it's going to ask me to put address. So here also I'm going to select next. You're going to see two different things. You see that this one, it took me direct to where I will add my website. That's if I have a website, which I already did. But this one is asking me, where do you serve? Like, where do you serve your customers? So now, can I start putting, for instance, I'm in Abuja, I'll just put Abuja for now. So let me put Abuja for now. So now, here now, it's asking me to put my website. So let me just copy this website link here and paste. So this is it. So now, if I click on next here now, and click on next here, this one's going to ask me to put address. So click on next. Also, click on next. So now I need to add phone number. This one now, you see that this is when this one is now telling me to choose category. I'm not choosing category for this new Google account, but the other account is asking me directly for my phone number. So now I'm going to put my category here. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Internet marketing services. So do you see now the category I selected with the old one is the one I selected with this. So now say you don't know your category, you don't know the category you fall. Now what you will do, you go to ChatGPT. So maybe you don't know your category, you don't even know where your business lies. So what you go to do, you just go to ChatGPT and so let me do that for you now. You see. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and you explain everything you do to chat. You like you are explaining to someone that okay, that ask you that okay, what service do you offer? You explain everything to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to help you brainstorm, you know, around your keyword. Another method you can also use is just to do it manually. But let me first of all show you how to do it with AI here. So now I'm going to explain my scenario to ChatGPT. Let's say for instance, which work will I choose? Let me say I am into painting. So I'm maybe house painting. So I can now say, oh, I can now say AI that I am into a painting, or let me see, control A. I used to paint houses for people. I just want to make it short for people. And now I want to list my business on Google, but I am not sure of the right category to choose from. So now let's see what AI is going to help us with. So now it said that if you mostly paint residential houses, now you see that it said painting contractor. So if you now go on Google now, you may not see painting contractor. You see, so you can still scroll down. Now it said your primary category should be painting contractor. Now it said if you do interior work, now it says exterior painter, exterior painter. So you are seeing everything here now. So you see, then add exterior. So all these things now, if you don't know, if you still don't understand ChatGPT, you can do it this way. You can go to map. So let me open map. So you can open map and type keyword like maybe any of your services. For instance, I can just type painting. So because what I do is painting, I can type painting, and Google is going to bring list of painting. So you now see the one that are, relate to what you do, because I believe that when you see someone that is offering the same service you are offering, you know that, oh, this is my kind of work, this is the kind of thing I'm doing. So once you are able to get that keyword, you check their primary. Okay, this is like check the first three. Oh, this one use this one, this one use this one. If they all use painting, then you are going to add painting to your Google Business profile. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Any keyword you see that, oh, any category you see that your competitors are using, at least the first five are using, use that category in your as your own primary category as well. So you can do this with your phone. You don't need to have a laptop. You can do everything I'm doing with your phone. So just go there and search for it. So I'm going to do a practical example. You are going to see. I'm just going to put painting, for instance. So let me just put painting. I can just say okay, painters. You can say painters in Abuja, for instance, or painters near me. So if I just put painter, so painter, now instead painter in Napoli. So now painter, you can just put painter. So let's see what's going to happen. So because that's what you do, a painter, so just put painter. And just make it easy for you, just put painter. So now map is going to use Google Map. Don't use Google search. Use Google Map. So do you see now that now you now take your time and go through it. So if you're using your laptop, you can download this what's it called? This extension called Plepper. So if you watch some of my videos, you're going to see where I explain all these things. So you just download Plepper, Plepper. So you can see that this one is using Painter. See another one here using Painter. All of them using Painter, Painter, Painter. See, interior designer, Painter, Painter. So this is how you now be like, oh, even if you're using your phone, this is the same thing you also be seeing. Painter. Now you now go to your profile and start using Painter. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Any other category you see that they are using, you see monitor it and say okay, painter, painting store, general contractor, paint manufacturer. If you manufacture painting, so you check all those category. Do you see? So that is how to category on Google so that you choose the right category. So here now it's telling me to add my category, which I've done. So I'm going to click on next. So here now, instead I add phone number. You see that now this one is telling me to add service area, which I'm going to choose Abuja as well. I will choose Abuja as well. So Abuja as well. Then click on next. So now this one is the two are asking me to add phone numbers. Do you see? Add phone number, add phone number. So I'm going to add my phone number here. So 818501037. So paste this one here as well. Now you see that this new one before the first thing it asked me to put is my website, which I added it here in this first the new Google account. But this one now is asking me to put my website, also making it optional. Now see that it's also even giving me option to choose either I want to add the chat I want to add either what's it called, either text or WhatsApp. So see it here, I can add WhatsApp, I can add, so I'm going to use WhatsApp. So to add your WhatsApp link, this is it. Type https forward slash hyphen forward slash wa.me slash 234 the phone number. Now you remove the zero. This is where I type it. https hyphen forward slash w.wa.me slash 23481. See your phone number. So now I'm going to add my website here as well. So I put the website here. So once you put the website, now ask you for verification. So now you see here. So once you click on next here now, it's going to ask me, see it here now. Say put your map, put your business on map. Now you're asking me for to I can click this, I can decide not to click. So let me just tick it. It's not compulsory. I click on continue. So let's see. They will ask me to put my address. There's no way they will not ask you to put address. So let's see what's gonna happen. So yeah, I told you that they will ask me to put my address. So they will ask me to put my address. So the address now serve as locations I serve. If truly I'm in Abuja, you see when they asked me for business address, business service area before, I put Abuja. So the same thing is applying here. So I have to put the address. So here also now I'm going to click on next. So after the address now comes the verification aspect. So after the address now comes the verification aspect. But I'm going to verify everything on this account. See, the reason is quite simple. Google play emphasis on accounts that are a local guide account. I will explain that one maybe in another video. There's a local guide account. Local guide account means the account that leave review on Google for other people to use. Account that had like a director for like tell people, okay, maybe you go to somewhere, Google now tell you. I don't know if any of you have witnessed that when you go to somewhere and Google might send you a message that, oh, what is your experience in visiting so and so place? So when you type what you think about that place, you are a Google local guide. So now I'm going to put the address. So I'm going to use my address name. So I'm just going to use Junction Buari. City, Abuja. So I'm just going to use that postcode 900. Yeah. So to confirm the postcode, if you don't know your postal code, so you just go on Google and type search for. I'm in Kuba postal code. So you're going to see your just type your location postal code. So it's even 11. So see it here. See my postal code here. So I'm gonna come here and change this one. So paste it. So now state Abuja. So now state Abuja. So here now I'm going to now you see that it's telling me if I click on next now, I'm going to go to where to verify the business straight. So let me click on next. You are going to see. Now it's telling me to verify. So here also I'm going to put the address. So I'm going to put my address here as well. So let me just use this one. This was my former place where I was staying before. So let me just put it. So change this one to Kubwa. So FCT. FCT. So also change the number. I'm going to change the number. So maybe let me change the number. Or let me use my main address. So because I'm no more living that area. I'm coming. I want to use because I want to use my this thing for this one. Let me get my real address. So now I'm going to click on next here as well. So they are going to now see that they gave me three options to verify this. The both of them gave me three options to do this. So now I'm only going to verify one out of them, and which is this one. I'm only going to verify this old account. Now the reason why I'm showing you the new way of the new account is that in case you have a new Gmail account and you want to do it and you now come across the all those thing and you'll be like, oh, what is it? It's not like the one maybe the one you saw somewhere else before. So now here, note that you don't need a website to verify Google Business Profile. You see this option before. Another option that also is postal code, but in Nigeria we always have postal code problem. Which is why I think that's why Google removed it. So, but these three options now, if I have physical location, this one will work very well. Although there's a method that you always use then, whereby I will set up, let's say my workspace now. I put a banner. I'll go and print a banner and put it, set it up like an office. I put a banner in front, maybe in front of my gate. I put the banner in the entrance of the house, and that banner inside the house, the house which I'm using as my office. Then I will video everywhere. So it worked before. I don't know about now, but I have used it to verify a lot of business there. So now, either you choose phone or email. Any of this will work. And the good thing about this is that they can give you instant verification. Like I said, let me repeat myself. You don't need a website to verify a Google Business Profile. If you have active phone, just add it. They can give you phone, especially if your business is service based. There is high chances that they will give you phone verification. But businesses that are in US, for instance, especially US, they always give them business video. Even if you service based, I've tried it before. They always give business video. But Nigerian, Canada, I've tried with Canada and they give phone number, even phone number and email verification. So now, what I'm going to use email verification. I'm not going to use phone number. If I use phone number, they will send the code. If I use email, they will send the code as well. There's no one that I use, they will not send the code. So I can decide to use anyone here. So but I'm going to use the email. So if I click on the email now, it's going to see it here. I'm going to input my email, then come here and click on next. So see it here, info@adelumo.com. So if I click on next, see the same thing apply here as well. The same thing. Once you select the one you want to use, click on next, see everything here. So let me do it for so I can see. So let's say I want to use phone number now. I click on next. You see, it's telling me that they are going to send a code, what's it called? A code here. So I'm going to show you. So let me even click on next. So that they will send the code, but I'm not going to verify this. So now I'm only going to input the code for this one. So now so the code has arrived. The code has arrived on my phone. but I'm not going to verify it. In fact, as I'm finishing this one, I'm going to remove it immediately. So now I'm going to use email for this one. So let me click on next. They will send the code to my web mail now. So now you see, so let me go to my see panel and open the mail. So here, see the email there. So let me open it. Um, so so let me open the email. So let me check the email out. So they will have dropped the code there for me. See this one, the code has already dropped there. In fact, I have the code on my phone there. So it's already the CD has been sent to my phone number. So now I'm going to open this, and the code will be already there. If you don't, I'm just going to wait a bit and it's going to drop. I am 100% sure of that. Now you see that here is the code you requested to verify the local SEO agency. So if I open it, I'm going to see the code. And I'm going to just copy this code, copy this, and paste it on the see it here, paste it here. Two things might happen. They may verify it instantly, and they may say they will give me 5 days for verification. So now click on verify. The same thing you are going to do here. So you click on next. Once you say you are being verified by Google, so click on next. So they will ask you to input your put your what's it called business description. So now it's asking me for services. So I'm not going to add any service right now. So I'm just going to skip this for now. So now business working hour. So that's why I tell you that working hour is very very important. So I'm going to add the working hour. It's the same thing here. The same thing here. So nothing changes. So I'm not going to. If I even click on change option. So let me click on change option. So you see that it's giving me also telling me options to choose from. But I'm not going to choose any option. I'm going to click on verify later. So verify later. So you're going to ask me, to complete my profile. So here I'm going to select 24 hours. I'm just going to select 24 hours now. 24 hours. So now you see the same thing as it asked me before to choose services. So if I click on skip now, the same thing. See it here. So there is nothing, everything is the same thing. But the first interface is what is very, very important. How to navigate it. So they are all the same thing. So now I'm going to also select 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 hours. So click on next. Now it's going to ask for business description. So business. So now this one now too. Let me just click on next. So I don't want to input because I said I will delete this one now. You see that it's still the same thing. Like I said, it's still the same thing. So let me go and copy my business description. So the description don't have to be perfect immediately. You can just type in anything you want, and at the end of the day you can change after they verified it. So here now I'm just going to push local SEO agency in Abuja. So Nigeria. So if I click next, come here as well and copy this thing. So let me copy this, copy it, copy. So then come here and paste. So they ask me to add photo, store front photo. Store front photo is maybe you have a physical location. Maybe you have physical place whereby you have your dashboard, you have your signpost that can have your name on it, like your name written on it, so you can snap it. But if you don't, I'm just going to skip this one. So skip it. So the same thing, I skip it. So also add business photo of business. So in my own case now, I can only be adding maybe customer testimonial, teamwork, maybe videos of me discussing something, picture of me working, so that kind of thing. But right now, I don't have any picture that I want to put here. I just want to skip this one for now. I just want to skip it for now. The same thing here, skip. So now, you see, we are the same thing. So the same thing. So now, you see that Adelumo local SEO agency, Adelumo. Do you see? So now this 300 credit, don't be deceived. If you will have to spend that amount before they can give you this 300 credit. So now I will click on skip here. You see, here now it's telling me to get started immediately. Here, and one thing I think is, I said is I should claim it. One thing I think here is that because it's a new Google Google account that I'm putting a business, they want to use this to lure me into running ad, which I don't want. So now here you also need to click on skip. So two things might evolve. They might verify it automatically, and they may say, okay, wait for 5 days. So now your edit will be visible once you have verified. So now let's see. They may have verified. Now it's not verified yet. So now this one I'm going to skip this one as well. So your edit will be visible once you are verified. So now let's continue with from here. So I'm going to delete this new account on. I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to delete it now. I will show you how to remove a business like this from Google. Now, Google is telling me that Google is processing your verification. It may take up to 5 days. So now this one is saying that verification code requested. Enter the code received on your phone. So I'm not going to enter any code. I'm just going to delete this one. So now to delete a profile, then I will now focus on this to explain everything I want to explain. So from here now, whatever you want to do is the same thing you are going to be doing. Let me remove this one. To remove a profile from Google, click on the three dotted line here. Click on business profile settings. Then come down here and click on remove business profile. Click on remove business profile. So you said stop managing profile, remove business. So if I click on remove now, you see I remove everything will be removed immediately. So remove. So the profile has been removed. So everything has gone. So it's going to come back. You see. So now let me go back and focus on this one completely. So now you see this now. This is under verification. So I will have to wait for them to verify this business. And this may take up to 5 days. Sometimes it's more than that. So I have to wait. So and at times they may disable the profile. Disable it, I will have to prove to them that okay, this business is legit. So I already have my CS certificate with me. Everything is every certificate that I required is already active. So now everything you need to do here now is to just hold on. Wait for them to, you know, how will I put it? To verify the profile. So the next thing you should also be doing here is maybe on your profile, create or other social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, anyone you want to use, create them, even YouTube channel, create everything. So that by the time maybe their bot is crawling the internet to see if there's anything related to this, they are going to see that okay, this business is legit or not. So it is now left for the bot because this is not done by all the others. It's the bot that will now do the verification, those kind of things. So if you find this video helpful, kindly follow and like. Note that tomorrow I'm going to also drop another video on how I'm going to do website content for my SEO local SEO agency. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.